While appearing before the Senate Committee on Finance and National Planning, Treasury CS defended the action, saying it will mitigate against currency fluctuations. Nearly 66% of the external debt is denominated in US dollars.
The government is committed to the 2010 medium-term debt strategy, whose tenet is to shift towards concessional external borrowing with a view of lengthening the maturity period of the domestic loan.
The Kenya shilling has been on a free fall against the US dollar in the last couple of weeks. The local unit reached a historic low on Monday this week, hitting 110 shillings 5 cents against the greenback.
We've also embarked on a scale down on use of commercial debt, because most of those critical areas that we were engaging in commercial, like in the major infrastructural area, I think we believe for the time being we've achieved significant progress.
In the current medium-term debt strategy, Yatani also hinted at diversifying sources of external debt financing and push for highly concessional loans with interest rates of at least 1%.
Given the right mix and the strategy that we are currently undertaking, we are going to bring to a level in the long and the medium term. We want to reduce on the size of budget deficit to make them more sustainable.
Kenya's public debt currently stands at an estimated 7.1 trillion shillings. With a huge chunk of the loan coming from China, the committee sought to know whether the government had considered renegotiating for better terms.
Go for concessional ones, elongate the repayment period, maturity period, so that we do not really get the challenge of repayment, of short-term repayment.
Bretton Woods institutions World Bank and the IMF are reportedly pushing Kenya to accept a coronavirus debt relief package from the G20 nations as a precondition for accessing cheap loans. Dennis Otieno, Citizen TV.